the foot trail down to Canyon Falls. Say hi, Kathy.
This is rocks. I gotta watch
Oh, just gotta watch where she's going. Yeah, I gotta watch where I'm going too. And now it's become a boardwalk, but it's all downhill. They say it's about a 10-minute walk, which means on the way back it'll be a 20 or 30-minute walk. So this little stream here, this little creek, is part of the Sturgeon River, and this leads down into the river and then ultimately across the falls. Boy, what a beautiful day. It's a little humid, a little muggy, but probably in the high 70s up at the road anyway. Just a gorgeous day for a walk.
Arizona. Buddha Beach.
Yeah, kind of. Yeah. Reminds us of Buddha Beach in Arizona. I don't see any little, any round stones. So this is Canyon Falls. It's on the, what would that be, the west side of Route 41, heading up out of Marquette. And big flat rock here. I'm standing at the edge of the river, and Kathy's kind of standing out in the middle. Now if you look up ahead there, it's a big flat rock that I don't know if I'll venture out there or not. See the falls here, Kath? There's a big flat rock here and then another one out there with about a 5-foot drop. You wouldn't want to bring a canoe down here. It's pretty. And it's warm in the sun, that's for sure. Boy, it feels about 85, doesn't it? Kind of like to go in for a little dip. But I think not. We'll call it quits right here. So here we are a little further down the falls. And notice how the water is brown. And our buddy Chuck says that's from the tannin in the water, which is, I guess, I didn't look it up. I guess tannin is decomposed organic material, maybe? I thought it would have been the iron. You know, there's a lot of iron in the ground up here. That's why I have Ironwood and Iron Mountain. And, boy, this is just beautiful. Imagine what it was like to the person that first discovered this. Wonder if he or she kept it a secret, or they ran to tell all their friends. These are some falls right down the street from Fort Wilkins State Park. We just pulled into a little parking area, and we're going to go down to Lighthouse Point. Take a look there. I'm not sure if these falls have a name or not, but very rocky. It's all rock. Another beautiful natural site in the UP. This is the Silver River Falls. We're on State Route 26 between Copper Harbor and Eagle River. And we're going to take a walk down the steps here and get closer to the falls. There's the bridge on State Route 26 and the Silver River coming down through. Boy, it's just pretty. Close up at Jacobs Falls. Eagle River Falls, Eagle River, Michigan. What's that, Kath? Yeah. Laminated wood. Laminated wood beams. That's what, maybe 100, 150 feet down, maybe? This bridge that we're standing on was made in 1915.
Right.
You see some of the round holes in the rock?
Yeah, I know.
Like that one there. And another one right
Yeah, I see.
there. There.
Yeah.
And there. Oh, there's also one there.
Yeah.
That's interesting.
Yeah.
Yeah, the big dome. It looks what?
Back. Where the water's cascading.
Uh-huh.
It looks like wood. There's wood up